Find where your Easter basket is.
Is that my basket?
That's Taylor's. Taylor's gonna try to help you find yours, buddy.
I got Rocky. You got some Reese's.
They're called Reese's, honey.
Look at that Reese's.
Easton, what did the Easter Bunny bring for you?
Rocky. Let's see what's inside the eggs. Oops, jelly beans. A coin.
Wow, you got a quarter. That's cool.
That's when Taylor's quarter.
No, that one's for you. The Easter Bunny brought it for you.
Okay, let's see what's inside the other egg. Easton, I'm trying to close this next egg. I'll help you. Ooh. No, you can't have them. Not yet. No, Easton. No, it's only for later.
Okay, he's having one little taste. It's okay. But we're going to have breakfast, all right?
I want the green one. One mountain, open Rocky.
Yeah.
Oops.
Is that what you always wanted?
Yeah.
If the Easter Bunny was here right now, what would you guys say to him?
Thank you for bringing us Easter treats.
Yeah. What would you say, Easton?
Thanks for bringing treats. I bring Rocky.
Yeah.
Can you open Rocky now?
Yeah.